If you're struggling to find winning products with fast shipping, or you're tired of unreliable suppliers and long delivery times, Syncee might be exactly what your store needs. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Syncee to instantly connect with over 12,000 trusted suppliers, import high-margin products, and automate your entire dropshipping workflow with no upfront inventory needed. Okay, so before we actually install anything, I want to tell you why having an app like this integrated on your Shopify store is a game changer. So first and foremost, there's no inventory needed, right? You can list and sell products without buying stock up front. So this is really great for testing products before actually committing to wholesale orders. Second, fast shipping. So Syncee connects you with suppliers that ship from local warehouses. This boosts delivery speed and, of course, builds customer trust. Another reason is higher profit margins. So thanks to competitive wholesale pricing, there's more room for you to actually make profit per order. There's also quite a bit of built-in automation for you. So it handles order syncing, inventory updates, and even payments. So you save time and reduce errors. Last thing here is easy expansion. So you can quickly add complementary products to your store to increase average order value without overcomplicating your backend. So this app is especially powerful for dropshippers who want quality products with better fulfillment times and fewer customer complaints. All right, let's go ahead and get started here. So from your Shopify dashboard, we're going to head up to this search bar here. We'll click on apps and just type in Syncee. All right, and we're going to be using the Syncee dropshipping app right here. So when you click this, it's actually going to bring you inside of Shopify's app store onto the app's installation page. Okay, so here you can see some key features of this app. You'll also see their pricing options, and thankfully they do have a free plan for you. You can also check out their ratings here. All right, go ahead and click install. You're going to be taken to this page here, which is basically the app's permission page. So it's going to ask you if it's okay for this app to have access to all of these different things in your Shopify store. So I recommend reading through these things, and if everything looks good, just click install again. All right, so now we're in the Syncee dashboard here. I'm actually going to pin this to my navigation so it doesn't go anywhere. So they do have this getting started steps that we'll go through. They also do have these products that are pre-picked for you, and you'll also be able to see some data down here as well. So let's go ahead and click Discover Products. Now you can also do this just by clicking this Find Products right here. So under the Find Products tab, you'll discover here trending items and top-rated suppliers based on your niche or region. So you can choose the category here, any niche that you want. You can choose what market you're shipping to. You can choose the supplier location, price. You can also add these other filters here too, which I think is really useful. So this really helps you find high-converting, fast-shipping products without that endless search. So like I said right here, it's just going to show me some trending products in different niches. So let's just go find a new product that we'd like to add to our store. So let's say I'm in the fashion niche, and we'll go to clothes, and we'll just pick a coat and see what comes up here. You'll also see this little setup guide pop up that keeps popping up for me every time I finish a task. But I think that's pretty nice as well. So what I want you to do is look through these and try to find one with a very high profit margin, right? So if you find one that you like, you can either click this Add to Import list here, or we can actually click onto the product, scroll down, and we can just click Add to Import list. So finding products that align with your store's niche and have good profit margins is one of the best ways to increase AOV or average order value and reduce refund rates as well. So now we put it in our import list. We're going to go down to the import list tab here. So these are going to be all of the products that you've saved but haven't yet published to your store. So this jacket is not right now on my store. All right, so here you'll be able to see the category of each product, brand, supplier, cost price, retail price, all of that kind of thing. And of course, if it's in your store or not. Now you can add as many products as you want to this import list. Again, this does not mean that it's on your Shopify store, right? So to publish this product to your Shopify store, just go ahead and click this Push Products to Store button. Okay. Yay! All right, looks like we've completed the checklist that they gave us. All right, so let's actually go to our Shopify store and see if it's there. It looks like it's still syncing this, so just have some patience with this. I'm assuming it might take a couple minutes for it to show up here, we're actually going to go back to our Shopify store, our dashboard here, and we'll click on products. And what it's going to do, perfect, there it is. So it's right here. We can see that in our store. And if you ever want to edit anything about this product, you can click on it from here. You can edit the title, edit the description, and also Shopify, if you're having a little trouble here, Shopify will actually give you an AI description if you put in some keywords for it there. Now here you can edit which pictures you want to use for the product. I think these are all fine. Of course, you can choose a product category, which I do recommend doing that for any product that you have listed on your Shopify store. Okay, and if we want to see it on the store, we can just click View Online Store here. So now we're in my Shopify store. We'll go to this tab here and click Catalog. Scroll down a little bit, and here it is, our new jacket. And you can obviously see maybe I'd want to change that description. It's a little overwhelming here, but this is how you can put these products. It's so easy to put these products on your Shopify store. All right, so now let's go down to this Orders tab here. All right, so in this Orders tab here, you're going to see all incoming orders for Syncee products. So since my store is actually not open to anyone, there are no orders here right now, but you'll see a bunch of details here for each individual order. So things like the order number, the customer name, the fulfillment method, so whether it was dropshipping or wholesale, the supplier, the order status, so if it's already been paid, if it's shipped, that kind of thing, as well as the total amount that the customer spent on your store. And Syncee actually automates the communication between you and the supplier, so you don't need to manually send that order information to them. So of course, this helps you save time and avoid fulfillment errors, especially as you scale. All right, let's go down to the My Suppliers tab here. All right, it's going to show you all of the suppliers that you've sourced products from. So that product from earlier was sourced from EK Wholesale here. Here is where you can actually view all the supplier details, and a really cool feature that unfortunately is not included in the free plan is this message option. So you have this option to message the supplier directly. And if you actually start any conversations, they're going to show up right here in this inbox in the top right. So I'll show you this as well. But maintaining good supplier relations is really key to better pricing, priority shipping, and exclusive deals as well. So I think this is a really great feature. Now, if you'd like to, you can also invite other retailers or suppliers to Syncee. So if we want to invite a supplier, you can just click that. All right, down here in the billing section, here's where you can change your plan, explore what features are included in each plan, and just decide what fits your store's size and goals best. All right, so in the settings tab here, you can update some general information. We can customize our order automation settings. We can add a new payment method for our customers. And we can also set up preferences for the app itself. And of course, I recommend going through all of these, but setting up your preferences will help you get more relevant recommendations when you're trying to find new products. This next tab is called Referrals. So here you can actually invite other retailers or suppliers to Syncee. If you'd like to do that, you just click that button and it's actually going to give you an entire pre-written email to send that supplier or retailer. You'll also find your referral link here and you'll be able to track that performance as well. Now our last tab here is called Apps. So this app tab just shows Syncee's recommended integrations to further streamline your dropshipping setup. So be sure to check these out. I think a lot of these are really great apps. Okay, so to wrap things up here, Syncee is an all-in-one platform that allows you to source quality dropshipping and wholesale products, sync with trusted suppliers worldwide, automate your product listings, order processing, and inventory, and easily test new items before committing to wholesale quantities. We've used Syncee to help clients scale from $0 to $100,000 a month by adding reliable, fast shipping products that customers actually want. It's a powerful way to test what sells without taking inventory risks. So if you're looking to expand your product line or finally get consistent supplier performance, this app is absolutely worth trying.